Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? So welcome to our this series of videos in which we are talking about how we can uh, monitor our dashboard and analytics and bring about some value addition in our channel activities and creation of videos and etc. So monitoring is very important. You see, this graph is telling you that since yesterday it has a bit moved up. So it's a healthy sign. It's going up, right? And there can be certain factors behind it. That why, what makes it this improvement, right? So we have to see and so. So the recent change which we are uh, um, experiencing, rather experimenting, is that the each video does have a description, and in the description does have the lessons and it does have the lesson connected, the link to the file, Excel file, which is related to the given topic, right? So that Excel file is linked. This is a OneDrive link, right? And users, if they open this file, they get all the information which were shown to them during this. Also, it will be having the latest list of my videos, right? So in the description, we can write that my latest list uh, of videos uh, will be available in this file, in the link Excel file, right? So you can also mention it so that users are inclined to open it and see this. Uh, you can also there, you can make a paragraph in it and you can say that from my latest list of videos, yeah, please see my uh, the following link, right? So links there. Note my latest list of video yeah, provided in the following Excel file, right? So what we do here, we give the link of that file. So that link is the same thing. So we can repeat it here as well. Okay. So this is the file. So each lesson file has has got that latest video link, right? Okay, and here we are going to write that uh, sheet, my popular uh, videos, list of my popular videos. See the sheet uh, is named as my popular videos, my videos. Like this, you can guide them in the description. So this description might uh, give you more views, since they will go to open this file and they will go to the sheet name, see the sheet which is named as my popular videos. Right? So this will may cause the user to open that sheet and run some more videos which you have. So note and seeing the statistics regarding that video. So you can save it. So this is okay. So this is I have saved it. So when this video is shown, so the description will be available and the link will be available to the at the moment. It is premiered and it is scheduled we on air by 16th of January. So I have updated this and I will be making this the standard operating procedure for me to include in the end of my day, like this, okay, and copy the link in here as well. Okay, this is one way of doing this. Okay, I thought that I should share it to you, should you find it useful. I hope. So at the moment, our program is still running, which is updating one by one every video's lesson file with the sheet which we have created. We downloaded it uh, from the YouTube. So that is the latest. Although the lessons are old, but the file is latest being replaced. As you can go and see into the Excel, right? You can see the Excel program is still running. It is using lesson number 279, creating a toolbar. Right? Okay, so it has updated this list. This list is being updated into the lesson file. The lesson file will come in here, 280, right? So this is being copied, this is being saved, and this will be closed, and then it will move to the lesson number 281. So this is a ongoing procedure which we are using to update our linked files which our audience is watching. So this way, providing them a hyperlinked list of videos, and it saves their time as well, and it is easy to click from here and then go directly to the desired video. As we have made so in this information of availability of my popular videos link file, the sheet, right? So we can make a copy of that thing again and make it available in other videos as well, right? So this was the Excel file link, and which was copied, and here it is my latest list of videos as well. You can copy this function from here, Control C, okay, and you can take this part and we copy it to other descriptions of videos, right? For example, this is done. Now it's it in the bottom. Like this, you can paste paste it here. And what is the link of that? So link is the same. Since we are copying, we are making each lesson file available with the sheet. So we can use the same link to be repeated here. Okay. So this way, the users, the viewers, the audience may click on it and open it and go to which sheet you have guided them that please see the sheet my popular video, right? Which is named as my popular video, right? So, and you save it and then you proceed to the next one. The next one is here. This is the third one. The same thing we do here. We go to the bottom. This, we go to the end. This is the end. We press enter. We control V here, not control C. So here you will write for my latest videos. List of my latest video available. My videos available in the following Excel file and the following because all of our lessons that information. So you can give this link in here. It's always good that you give the sheet of videos. So these are hyperlinked. Listen, so you can write here hyperlinked for list of the hyperlink. Don't know where it's going. This list is hyperlinked. Right. This is a better way, and we save it. So we take it. You bring this comes used to of this that they know that such. For this you can use the same link which is regarding which. Okay. So and we replace it with this. We provide this information to our audience and click the video they would like to play. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.